Welcome to
Study time, kids. I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
I want to make a cake.
I want to make a cake.
I want to make a cake.
I want to call my mom.
I want to drink some tea.
I want to drink some tea.
I want to go outside.
I want to go outside.
I want to play football.
I want to play football.
I want to bake cookies.
I want to bake cookies.
I want to eat ice cream.
I want to eat ice cream.
I want to be strong.
I want to be strong.
I want to go fishing.
I want to go fishing.
I want to eat.
I want to eat.
I want some water.
I want some water.
I want to learn English.
I want to learn English.
I want to go home.
I want to go home.
I want to write a poem.
I want to write a poem.
I want to solve a puzzle.
I want to solve a puzzle.
I want to watch the stars.
I want to watch the stars.
I want to wear a hat.
I want to wear a hat.
I want to share my toys.
I want to share my toys.
I want to make breakfast.
I want to make breakfast.
I want to see a butterfly.
I want to see a butterfly.
I want to go on a picnic.
I want to go on a picnic.
I want to watch TV.
I want to watch TV.
I want to read a book.
I want to read a book.
I want to listen to music.
I want to listen to music.
I want to learn a song.
I want to learn a song.
I want to smile more.
I want to smile more.
I want to climb a tree.
I want to climb a tree.
I want to hear a story.
I want to hear a story.
I want to pet a dog.
I want to pet a dog.
I want to go to a party.
I want to go to a party.
I want to be kind.
I want to be kind.
I want to drink juice.
I want to drink juice.
I want to take a nap.
I want to take a nap.
I want to go swimming.
I want to go swimming.
I want to sing a song.
I want to sing a song.
I want to dance.
I want to dance.
I want to drink coffee.
I want to drink coffee.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.